GameStop is an American company which deals with video game, electronic, and other gaming related products. Think Big Bazaar but just for gaming. It is big enough to be in the Fortune 500 list, but it was diminishing slowly and slowly because it was still focused on brick and mortar retail compared to how Amazon and other e-commerce retailers have taken it to online. The company started to go deep into the financial issue and the pandemic increased the same. But 3 weeks back, we saw an unexpected jump which the market is still trying to stabilize from. Just for the record, on January 3rd, its share price was around $17.25, while it reached to a maximum of $469 on January 28th. Even before this, we were noticing an increase in the stock price since the August of last year, which at that time was just $4 a share. But that rise is due to a whole another story which I will cover right now. There was a company called Chewy, co-founded by Ryan Cohen, which he sold off to PetSmart in 2017. He sold it for $3.5 billion and then exited the company later. What Cohen did with Chewy was that he created a powerful alternative to Amazon when it came to product for pets as a whole. He focused on customer service and connecting with pet parents who were more focused on giving the right product to their pet rather than purchasing the cheapest one which is available on e-commerce. So in a way, Cohen had an experience of raising companies which were focused on a specific niche when it comes to e-commerce. In November of last year, Cohen decided to invest into GameStop and bought 13% of the share, making him the majority shareholder of the company. He then sent a letter to the company's board, urging them to immediately conduct a strategic review and to provide stockholders with a credible and publicly available roadmap for cost containment, prioritizing profitable retail locations and geographic markets, and building the e-commerce platform. So when this happened, the board of directors at GameStop decided to have Cohen into the board. And when that happened, the stock price rose from the $4 to $17 as we saw. Now let's focus on what happened in the last month, how it toppled the entire Wall Street, and how now the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) as well as the White House are now looking into it. A subreddit named r/Wall Street Bet decided to collectively buy the stocks of GameStop, which successfully moved its price way up. The real reason, as said by the Reddit community, was that they wanted to teach hedge funds a lesson. Now that brings a question as to what hedge funds are actually. Hedge funds are nothing but funds that operate in partnership with huge and wealthy investors. They use the pool funds that they obtain from all the investors and then invest them based on their research and analytics. What the subreddit found out that the hedge funds like Melvin Capital or Citron Research were extremely shorting the shares of GameStop. So now let us understand what is short selling. Suppose there is one Mr. X who owns one share in a company. This share is trading at say $20. Now you, Mr. Y, analyze the performance of the company and derive a conclusion that this share price of $20 is going to fall further in the future. Buying right now won't make sense then, right? So what do you do instead is borrow the share from Mr. X and sell it at this price of $20. Now you have $20 in your hand, but now you still have to give back the share to Mr. X. Now all you do is wait till the prices drop down. Say your assumption of the price is falling proves right and they become $5 in few days. You simply have to buy the share from the market now and return it to Mr. X. You have earned $20 and paid $5, earning a net profit of $15 in the transaction. This is what is called short selling in the stock market term. And when you are short selling, you are basically betting on the prices to fall down, and thus in huge volume where you're betting for billions of dollars worth of stock prices to fall down. You're basically betting on the investments of the middle class to plummet down, and the middle class will be the one facing the brunt of it. Melvin and Citron were short selling billions of dollars worth of GameStop shares, and the subreddit found it out and they decided to do something about it. So they figured out that if they start buying the available shares of GameStop in bulk from the market, it will start raising the price of the stock instead of plummeting down. So now where these hedge funds had borrowed these shares for $20 waiting for the price to fall down, now had to buy them back at $300, resulting them in a net loss. And that's exactly what happened. Melvin Capital lost 53% of their entire investment portfolio. And in a broader sense, all the hedge funds who were shorting in the GameStop fund combined lost more than $5 billion in revenue. The Reddit community basically fulfilled its purpose by showing it to the Wall Street that even the common man with no access to the things that the Wall Street had can still topple the entire structure down and basically show that the power ultimately lays in their hand. As of today, the stock price is back down to $60, considering that people have started to sell those shares back. but it had done the damage it wanted to. Now the Securities and Exchange Commission, the Federal Trade Commission, White House, and the Department of Justice are all looking into this thing. There are obviously going to be political and economical ramifications of this, and I will be covering them down in the future episode when more progress happens in this story. If you like what I covered in this episode, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you in the next episode.